replace these boring English words with these cool ones. These words will make you sound fancy and fashionable. And these are close alternatives but not dictionary words. Busy, occupied. Busy, occupied. Happy, euphoric, euphoric. Sad, disheartened, disheartened. Big, enormous, enormous. Small, compact, compact. Angry, furious, furious. Easy, effortless, effortless. Funny, hilarious, hilarious. Tired, exhausted or fatigued, fatigued. Lazy, lethargic, lethargic. Calm, serene, serene. Scared, frightened. Bad, awful. Saw, noticed, noticed. Exciting, thrilling. Weak, fragile or fragile. Both goes. Fragile. So guys, these were some alternatives of boring English words. I hope you would start using these words in your daily conversations to sound fancy and fashionable. You can also check our playlist to watch more videos.